Hey everybody, Brian here again from Working Class Fishing. Today I came up here into the mountains and I am exploring a couple other lakes. Just checking them out to start before I get too involved with the video, but make sure you stay tuned, and what we're going to do is try out some trout magnets and some spoons here. It's pretty cold, as you can see it's pretty damp too, so make sure you stay tuned and check out what we got. So ideally, I'm looking for some places with a little bit of flow here. We've had a ton of rain, and so there's it's pretty treacherous trails around here, so trying to take it easy climbing around and checking things out, but definitely some cool territory to explore here. We got all these little spill outs and spillways, everything else. Gonna check out the lower lake here. There's like 5 lakes up here, and I'm checking them all out. I've never been here before, so this is kind of a fun area. This is in what we call the Coast Range, so we're way up, like 1,200 feet in elevation. It's really cold and really wet, but I'm hoping somewhere out in these lakes we got some fish hanging out. So trying out the trout magnet for the first time today. Got it rigged up like I would for steelhead, so I got the slip bobber on there, and I put about a 1/16 of an ounce of lead, pencil lead that's punched, and then I rigged it up on a 1/16 ounce jig head with the trout magnet, basically the same way you fish a worm for steelhead. And so I thought, well, trout, steelhead, rainbow trout, steelheads, sea run rainbow trout. Thought it'd be kind of cool to try out, so I'm going to cut out here for a second. So to go over a little bit more detail on this trout magnet setup, just so that you know. So I'm running about 36 inches of 6-pound test fluorocarbon. Probably don't need to go that heavy, but there again, I just have it. I took a little piece of what we call pencil lead, and this is a solid core, and I punched a hole in it, and I have a set of what they call snap ring pliers, and it has a lead punch on it. This is a Bomac 1/8 ounce sliding bobber, so I can reset my depth if I'm finding I'm not fishing deep enough, and I put a bead stopper up there, and it's just a uniknot to hold that bead stopper in with like some 85-pound braid. It comes with the bobber kit. You can buy them pre-made, or you can make your own if you want. It's a real effective way. This is actually a great river fishing method for trout, bass, all kinds of stuff. But I put that on a 1/16 ounce ball head jig, and it has the wire worm holder coming out of the back, so it holds that trout magnet on there. Super, super good. See if trout magnet land here does the trick. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Ah, that didn't go down all of a sudden. Sometimes that's an indicator when it goes down like that. Well, it's an indicator that you have a fish. Oh. They're over here. Well, maybe I need to let them eat a little bit longer. Let's try that again, shall we? There we go. Fish on. Nice one. Ah, man. Keep losing them, guys. What the heck is going on? There was a big one that just cruised by down here. Well, I think we know what works. Now you just need to say, come on, Brian, why can't you set the hook right? Watch this. I have no idea how they got off there. These are brand new hooks. I'm just taking a look. I think it's the ultralight action, honestly, like on the hook that sliding the bobber stop back then. freaking chasing it, guys. This is insane. They want this trout magnet so bad. The reason why I wasn't catching anything because my stuff wrapped up. There's like 5 bows over here just hunting. So, pink trout magnet on the 1/16 ounce jig head with the worm holder seems to be just hot to trot with these guys, and I'm sure that they're still there, even though I'm over here trying to uncluster this. Put everything else in the way, and off we go. There we go. Good fish, guys. Woo! Dude, oh man, look at that. Come on, girl. Work with me here. Yeah, this dude is definitely laced up. Laced them up, laced up. Oh, beast. Beast, beast, beast. Let's do this here. Gloves off first, right? Sacrificing my warm hands for you guys. Put that down here real quick. It doesn't dry out. Wet your hands. Oh. That's okay. We got him. He's big. You know, sometimes it's just worth it just to kick him loose real fast anyways. He was playing with us there. We got him. The pink trout magnet. Everybody's favorite. Looks like it's going to start snowing. Man, what the heck? What the heck? Another little trick I do when I'm having that issue is I bend my hook off to the side a little bit. That way it helps with the hook penetrating a little more. I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay. It's not illegal. It's just, for whatever reason, they're grabbing and they're not hooking up. And the hooks are brand new. They're crazy sharp. Like, if I took that thing and jerked it through my hand, I would definitely be in the ER. However, they are barbless. So, almost instantly, guys. Good fish too. Yeah, they like that flow. There you go. Not a big one. Changing that bend. Oh, there you go. Well, changing the bend in the hook definitely panned out. So we did get him up to the bank, but he was pretty juiced up too. Well, I guess that's what we could call a snowfish. It kind of flurried in between. Got him. Oh, it's a good fish. real good fish. There we go. All right. This guy will stay in the net. So we don't lose him. He's big. He's mean. And he means business. Get him. My hands are wet. There you go. That's a big fish. That's trout. Massive trout destruction on the trout line today. Unfreaking real. I might end up with frostbite, and that's okay. Yeah, massive destruction. Ha. Wow. Little guy. That's okay. No, he's not still hooked. There you go. That's what I wanted to do with that last one, but he's so freaking big. This is an absolutely deadly steelhead setup drifting in a river. It's proving itself in the still water today, but this setup. Looks like there's some swans over in this lake, which is super cool. Check those guys out. They're huge. Hey everybody, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like these types of videos, please shoot us a comment, like, subscribe, and share away with your friends. Like always, thanks for watching us. Hope you guys have a great day.